Oh, what's up guys? Mamili ako ng kanta yun na yung yung kabisado natin at memoryado natin. Ano ba? Too much love will kill you. Pwede ka na? Yes. Tingnan na to guys. I'm just the pieces of the man I used to be. Too many bitter tears are raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I'll be facing this alone for much too long. I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up and what a struggle it would be. My tangled state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I went wrong. Too much love will kill you if you can't get up your mind. Turn between a lover and a love you leave behind. You headed for disaster, 'cause you never read a sign. Too much love will kill you every time. I'm just a shadow of a man I used to be, and it seems like there's no way out of this for me. No, there's no making sense of it. Everywhere I go, I'm about to lose. Too much love will kill you, and I can't get off your mind. Turn the thought that's in you, make you feel you're behind. Heading for disaster, 'cause you never really signed. Too much love will kill you every time. Ito lang guys, memorize guys. Hindi talaga natin memorize. Okay na yun. Thank you.